Target lock. Hello and welcome to the 3 o'clock nature show.
The channel that about 5 people watch.
Because it's so late, and besides, not everybody has a TiVo. Today's topic is the arbivore moose, or hippo. God. The arbivore hippo, which eats and lives in trees.
Thankfully, it's not a carnivore like the other moose we had. 2 of our closest friends were devoured alive on the air the last show we had. So, we have taken precautions of stepping up our security tenfold.
Which means adding 1 security guard to the watch of 0 and a stationary pistol, which holds 3 shots in its clip. I think we need a commercial. Thank you.
And we're back with the All Country Channel. Coming up next, it's Bobby Joe Frank Bob with his new hit, I'm Alone.
Oh boy, okay. 1-800 gone. Okay.
Hello? Hello,
Hey,
this is Gonstar.
I need an airstrike in my position to take out this guy who's listening to this crappy station.
Alright, we're sending in an airstrike, sir.
Gee, thanks. I
No
really
problem.
need that.
Anytime. And for a limited time, you can now get our new car radio satellite thing. It'll call in your own airstrike for you. I see. I'm gonna go get some pretzels. I'll be right back.
Goo. Welcome, and you're back for this middle portion of our broadcast. What you just heard before this was a comment from our viewer. This portion is dedicated to the attributes of the arboreal moose. Or hippo.
Hippo?
God, I can't get my facts right today.
Probably because it's 3:30 a.m.
Oh, my.
How are you staying up? Red Bull?
About 10 cases every night, you know.
It's a mixture of me with Mountain Dew and stuff. A couple pounds of caffeine.
A couple pounds. You need about 10 shots of espresso per teaspoon.
I gotcha. Anyways.
Anyway, the hippo on land, the arboreal hippo, can run at 180,000 meters a second.
Making it almost impervious to attack.
And also running at almost the speed of light. Also, the hippo can lure heat-seeking missiles away from their intended target.
Which is a big advantage for the military.
Well, that's what Area 51 has been doing.
They're breeding hippos. Yeah, I know. Big disappointment. There's no aliens. Just a hippo breeding ground.
Yes, but it's good for the military, because that way our strategic resources will not get targeted if we are attacked. I am drawing a blank for some reason. Let's see. I think that's it. I'll give us a commercial right here. Thank you. Hello. Are you sad? Does the most depressing topics even seem bright compared to your personality? If so, you need this product. Call now and receive a very happy pill. Thank you. Hello, folks. I'm sorry to say that tonight, this morning, we're going to have to cut the show short because of the fact that we suddenly ran out of funding. Thank you and good morning.